Okay, for today's video, we are going to try to remove this prop right here. And, well, we're going to replace it with a different prop, a 3-by prop. And hopefully that solves some of the vibration problems I've been having with my boat. I don't know. It's worth a try. So, let's get started. There we go. There we go. Good. That's waiting for you. Is anybody waiting for you? Water dispersion. Okay, I'll do my pliers. Okay. Pull. Again. Come on. Like these things. Okay. Last bit. Take your pliers. There we go. There we go. There we go. I'll see. See how I am. Pull that. Come up there. So let's get this thing open up. Okay. There we go. So turn it smaller than the inside, bigger than the outside. Okay. Okay. So now it's on. That one's off. Of course off. Okay. So that thing off. Now. With the seat. Now. What we're gonna do. See, you better do this, right? But my seat's too small, so if I'm trying to do it, then maybe not work. Give it a shot. Just plant. Then give it a work. So that's a good trick. This is real nice. Keep going. Here's another one. Is I don't want the flying off. Oh, just a cursor with it. That's hard. You don't want to do it, right? Just a little encouragement. Just break that. Gonna need a prop puller. See how it's gonna. No, we're gonna get some of it. So let's see. Oh, you can use the hands here. Okay. So, okay. You can't here's on this thing. Okay. So.
A few moments later.
Whoa! Whoa! Shit! 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 We got a fire here! Fire! Fire!
It was an inferno in there! An inferno!
There he is! That's him! The coward that left us
Okay, next. Okay, carefully, these small nut goes on first. Okay, I'm just waiting the wrong way. Okay, and next, get on there. Good. One bird pounds, that's about right. 2 birds. There we go, 2 birds. Good. Look at that. Okay. Now, do I need that back? That could be right. Listen again. See the fire, shape it. Good. Find it. What is that? See the fire. That's our target. Open that lighter out.